In this Excel certification exam, we have the following question. On the selling status column of the quarter 2 sales worksheet, create a formula that displays the following. Best seller if the average sales is more than or equal to $6,000, or below expectation if average sales is less than $6,000. Click on F3 in this example, the first cell in this selling status, and hit equal sign if. Then click on the cell next to it, which is the first one on the average cell, and type greater than equal, type 6,000, comma, double quote, type best seller, double quote, comma, double quote, type below, double quote, close parentheses, and hit enter. There we go. Thank you for watching.